In this video, we are going to build a premium animated website in just 3 simple steps using AI without writing code or design anything manually. Step number 1. Animate a static image with a free AI tool. First of all, we'll take a normal image and turn it into a smooth animated video using AI. I'll show you how to generate natural looking animations that can be used as an eye-catching hero section for your website. Step number 2. Generate a fully functional website. We'll use AI to transform our design into complete and responsive website. AI will automatically generate the layout, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and interactive elements, all from simple prompts. Step number 3. Publish your website for free. Finally, we'll host the website online for free and generate a live shareable link so that anyone can access it from anywhere. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a modern animated website that was completely created with the help of AI.
First, we need to find a good visual for our website hero section. For that, I am using Pinterest to explore different visual inspirations. Search in the search bar website hero section design. You can see there are many great options available and you can either use these references or create your own visuals using AI tools like ChatGPT or Google AI Studio. For now, I am selecting this visual because it looks really attractive and premium, but I want to customize it a little. So now I am opening ChatGPT, uploading the image, selecting the create image option. Then I am giving a prompt saying generate the same image shown in the reference, remove all text and extra elements, but keep the original visual style and character exactly the same. Recently, ChatGPT's image generation quality has improved a lot and honestly, the results are really impressive. You should definitely try this feature. And yes, you can see how beautifully it recreated the image. Now I am downloading this image and opening it in Figma. Inside Figma, I am creating a width of 1440 by height of 900 frame and adjusting the image accordingly. I am exporting this final image and next we will animate our character. For that, I am opening Kling AI website. This tool helps convert static images into animated videos very easily. So first, I am selecting the video generator option and uploading the image that I want to animate. You can also upload an ending frame if you want more controlled animation. But for now, I am only have the starting frame. So for that, we need prompt to animate this image. I am using ChatGPT. I am also reducing the output quality to 720 pixel because that will be enough for our website. You can see it requires 66 credits. So I am clicking on generate. Now it's creating our animation, which may take a little time. And yes, look at this result. It has beautifully animated the character with almost no effort. Honestly, this is very impressive for an AI generated animation. So now I am downloading this animated video. Next, we need to design the rest of our hero section. Things like headlines, subtext and navigation. Again, I am searching Pinterest for references. I want a layout where the character is in the center and the content is aligned around it. I found this really nice looking hero section reference. So now I am again opening ChatGPT and uploading image. This time I am asking it to recreate the layout while removing the background visuals, keeping only the text and UI elements on a background. And yes, it recreated the design almost perfectly. Next, I am opening Google AI Studio. This is one of the most powerful tools because it can generate complete websites using prompts only. You don't need to manually design or code anything. Inside Google AI Studio, from the left side panel, I am selecting the build option. Then I am uploading the hero section image that we created and giving a prompt like create a website hero section exactly like this reference. Don't change the design. Now let's see what it creates. And yes, you can see that it generated the hero section almost perfectly. Everything is properly aligned and the best part is that it also generated the complete code automatically. You can literally copy the code directly from here if you want. Now comes comes the most important part, adding the animated video as the website background. If you directly upload the video into AI Studio and ask it to use it as a background, it usually won't work properly. So first, we need to convert the video into a public URL. For that, I'm using a platform called Cloudinary. I simply uploading my video there and Cloudinary automatically generates a hosted video URL for us. Now I am copying that URL and pasting it into Google AI Studio with another prompt saying, use this video as the hero section background, keep it muted, loop the video continuously and remove the background overlay so the video is clearly visible, and look at the result. It created a beautiful premium animated hero section completely automatically. The motion background looks amazing, the design feels modern and everything is responsive as well. And remember, we did all of this without any manual coding or designing. Now let's move to the next section of website. So now everything is working properly and the complete website code is also ready. So I am simply downloading the zip file of the project. Now it's time to publish the website online. For hosting, I am using Netlify, which allows you to host websites completely free. I am clicking on add new project, uploading the zip file, and within a few seconds the website is live. And yes, our fully functional AI generated website is now ready. I am just changing the website name and now we have a live shareable link that we can send to anyone. So you can see within just a short time we created a premium animated website completely using AI tools. If you learned something valuable from this video, then definitely like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.